Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be talking to you about Dawn Validator Airdrop, which is another DePIN airdrop that can also be mined on both PC as well as on mobile phone, okay? As well as on mobile phone. Similar to Grass, similar to NODEPAY, similar to other DePIN airdrops which are still ongoing and the ones that you have been mining. Take for instance, since we are in the bull run, a lot of these airdrops are going to potentially yield profits. So it's best for everybody to be able to do them. So Dawn is a decentralized boardman, something new from their team. I made a previous video on how Dawn can be mined using your laptop. I'll put the link in the description so that you can be able to mine them. Okay, so without further ado, let's just get started. Mine Dawn, you have to use a Mrs. browser. Okay, you have to use a Mrs. browser. You can use Kiwi, but I prefer using a Mrs. browser here. It works perfectly fine. So if you don't have it, this is it. You can be able to download it on Play Store or on Apple Store. I'm going to put the link in the description that you can be able to use when you open. I'm going to put the link in the description that you can be able to use when you open your Mrs. browser. So the first thing that you're going to do here is to be able to add Chrome in your browser. That's add the browser, enable it or activate it in the Mrs. browser. Okay, so once you have done that, the next thing is for you to be able to click on here. That's you click on, once you have added it in your Mrs. browser, the next part that you need to do is to click on here. That's this place that has this extension icon on top here. That's this place that has the extension icon. That's where you are going to click on. If you click on it, you are going to see the Dawn extension or the Dawn Validator Chrome already there. If you have added it successfully, it will actually show. So the next thing is for you to be able to click on it. Okay, you're able to click on it and it will load for you. I already have these points because I have already logged in, but if you haven't, it will be able to show you for you to be able to log in and do your task. Once you are able to log in, then it will start mining automatically. Then for you to be able to earn more points, you can be able to use the referral code. I'm going to put the link in the description so that you can be able to use this referral code and earn more points. So that's how you can be able to start with Dawn airdrop on DePIN so that you can be able to start getting your points immediately. My name is Odis Profit. Please like, share, subscribe, turn on post notification bell, and join the Telegram channel. Link in the description. Once again, I wish you well. Thanks.